Ever pondered about the intricacies of building RESTful APIs using PHP? Well, today we'll embark on an enlightening journey to unravel these complexities. REST, or Representational State Transfer, is an architectural style for constructing web services. It relies on resources identifiable by URIs and manipulable through a fixed set of operations. RESTful APIs are a cornerstone in web development, offering a simple yet flexible way to interact with data. To build RESTful APIs with PHP, a few crucial steps need to be followed. Firstly, choosing an appropriate framework is key. A framework provides a structured way to build your API and often offers built-in functionalities that can save you a lot of time and effort. Laravel and Symfony are two popular PHP frameworks that support RESTful API development. Secondly, adherence to RESTful principles is vital. These principles include statelessness, client-server architecture, cacheability, layered system, and uniform interface. These principles ensure that your API is scalable, performant, and easy to maintain. Thirdly, versioning your API is a must. This allows for changes and enhancements to be made to the API without disrupting the services that depend on it. It's a simple way to ensure backward compatibility and to manage the evolution of your API over time. Next, implementing authentication and authorization is critical. This ensures that only authorized users can access and manipulate the data. PHP offers several ways to implement these security measures, including OAuth and JSON web tokens. Lastly, validating and sanitizing input data is crucial. This helps to protect your API from malicious attacks and ensures that the data going into your system is clean and in the right format. Now, while building RESTful APIs with PHP, several tools can prove to be beneficial. Postman, for instance, is a great tool for testing APIs. It allows you to send different types of HTTP requests and inspect the responses. Swagger, or OpenAPI, is another excellent tool. It helps in designing, building, and documenting RESTful APIs. It provides a user-friendly interface and generates interactive API documentation. Finally, PHP Data Object, or PDO, is an extension that provides a consistent interface for accessing databases in PHP. It's a powerful tool for interacting with your database and executing SQL queries. To sum up, creating RESTful APIs with PHP involves choosing the right framework, following RESTful principles, versioning your API, implementing authentication and authorization, validating input, and leveraging the right tools. By following these steps, you can build robust, secure, and efficient APIs that can power modern web applications. Take these insights and go forth into the world of web development, creating APIs that can truly make a difference.